headlight restoration.
This is the greatest headlight restoration kit on the market today. There's a little muck on our boy Jordan's car.
Go get it detailed once. Still there. Go through the car wash. Guess what? Still there. I get it ran through a second detail. It is still there. And I'm not making it up. I promise you.
We're gonna restore it. It's gonna look beautiful. We're gonna walk you through the process. We're gonna show you how to use it. And make sure you stay to the end because we're gonna get you 10% off, baby. So let's get straight to it. The first instruction, you're gonna open the first package right there.
There you go.
Package number 1, you're gonna unfold the cleaning wipe and clean the headlight thoroughly using the wipe provided. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna bust this wipe open, man. Say this is.
And you come with 2 wipes, 1 and 1. You got 2 cleaning wipes.
You got 2 ones, cause what? You got 2 headlights, right?
That's right.
Okay.
Simple math. Simple math.
Simple math. So you just open this real quick. You just open it real quick.
Throw the trash on his car.
And
Look at that! Nice and freaking easy.
So you wipe the whole headlight. Man, it ain't even this. Oh my God, this product is amazing. It's not even done. This is literally step 1, and it's already almost clean.
I can't believe that, yo, because I literally been trying to get that mark off. Dry the headlight with paper towel. The headlight will look slightly matted after wiping. So don't worry if you get this weird matte look.
So let's
as it is explained.
Oh, it does look matty. It really does.
It does.
Okay. So
but it says don't worry because it's supposed to look like that. So we're cool. We're good.
It has to dry, air dry.
Step 3 is to open the second packet and pretty much rinse and repeat. Do the same thing on the other headlight. We're gonna do that later. We're just gonna go straight to step 4, which is make sure both headlights are completely dry. All right. So we'll let that dry for a minute. All right, step 5. We're gonna open packet number 2. Do not unfold the wipe. Just pull it straight out, and we're gonna rub it down, baby.
So what is this second wipe, Jordan?
This is the protective layer.
Ooh,
Oh,
you can already see it getting
crystals,
clear.
baby.
Are you kidding me? I can't believe it. I'm
still shocked.
I'm actually shocked as heck.
I believed in this product 100%.
Hey, it's awesome, man.
I'm
looking like a G.
Look at that. You know what I can't believe? A car wash couldn't have took that off. We want to make sure I can see at night. You got the deer hopping out at night? You want to see that. And with the dual headlights, you can't see that, but with my newly restored Headlight Restore.us, I can see anything within
100
reaching
miles.
distance of my headlights.
Now, Mr. Jordan.
Yes, sir.
What about my old car that's got the yellow looking lights? Why don't we check that out? See if it'll clean that up. You guys, follow me. I got one of the dirtiest headlights in the game. I don't know what's up with that.
But it's a little used.
But you go to Walmart or someplace and you see it everywhere.
Everyone has dealt with this.
Yes, everyone.
And we've tried multiple different solutions. None of them work.
So let's see if the rag really does it. We'll see what.
Okay. Oh, wow. I hope that's on the outside. Oh! Look at that!
All right.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my!
You better do the other one. Oh man!
We gonna do it. So we got newly restored
versus
not restored.
not restored. This product actually really works, and it's shocking me. It's actually shocking me.
Dang, that is good.
So that actually worked. Okay, well.
I wanna stunt in the car tonight, boys. They're gonna see you at night.
Use promo code LAZYBOYZ to get 10% off
Now,
of this.
is that lazy men?
That's boys.
Lazy boys. Okay, I didn't know.
You want to use that, man.
Okay.
At the website, link down below. Get you some of this. Get you the cleanest looking headlights you can in the game. It really works. We're not lying. We were shocked. Not even gonna lie.
And not everybody thinks about, hey, I need to clean my headlights, but.
So you saw my dirty yellow headlights.
Holy cow, man!
We just want to say thank you. Peace, love, positivity, whenever, wherever. Like, comment, subscribe, and share.
And don't forget to look for the orange box.
Lazy Boys promo code. Love y'all.